Okay, I usually don't use my Ipsy and my BoxyCharm at the same time, and then I was like, what is wrong with you? It's a full face, like Biro Pro Berry Pore Toner, I think it is. I use this every day. The Gold Fatten MD Body Care Body Surge Restoring Moisturizer. Already used it. Sorry. Allergy mover. I'll be using this later tonight, so I will let you know how good it is or isn't, you know. And the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, Illuminating. I also already used that. Let's go. Nip plus Fab Renewal Eye Treatment. You don't want to put too much moisturizer underneath your eyes because it can actually cause wrinkles. I bet you didn't know that. I have Billion Dollar Brow Lift. It's one of my favorite. Billion Dollar Brows. They always treat me really nice and they always send me beautiful little packages. So I'm just gonna brush that into my brows. Next up we have the Violet Voss Pretty in Paradise palette. I am really excited to use this. It is a banger for sure. It's very pretty. And it just has every color. It just gets all my color sensors excited. I really love this color. It's very nice. This palette is a dream. This palette is a dream. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay. It's a mascara primer. I just ran out of my Better Than Sex mascara. So Too Faced, maybe you can hook me up with the mascara so we can see these real results. So, you know what? This says that you can wear it alone, and now that I see it, it has like a slight tint to it. So, you know, maybe I don't need the mascara. That's crazy. This Foreplay, I've never been so uplifted by a mascara before, especially a primer. This is my new favorite. Go to. It's super light. Oh my God, look what it did to my lashes, y'all. I'll be using the Mishka Beauty lip liners in Beloved and Worthy to line my lips, followed by the Kiss and Smink lip gloss in Peony, which is one of my favorite colors. All right, y'all, that is the final look for the Ipsy BoxyCharm April Not Fool's Day box. I really enjoyed it. I hope you do too.